So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of liquid gold effect with using RealFlow plugin. So guys, stop this animation and now create new composition, create new, yeah. And first of all guys, I take cube and cube size like 1000 and y axis I like 5 and z1 same 1000, yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I take this time torus, this one, and up and decrease size decrease like this, yeah, yeah, and guys little bit up, yeah. Okay, so guys, now copy this torus, press Ctrl C and V and go on here, yes. And now guys, I apply vibrator tag, so go to here, vibrator tag, yeah, and go to enable rotation check. Guys, first amplitude 0 and second one 360, third one's 360 and frequency 0.5, yeah, and play, yeah. Okay, so guys, now I increase frame like 500, yes, and create full, guys, play, yeah. See guys, that's my simple effect, rotation effect. Okay, so guys, now you can change frequency like 180 and go to back and play. Yeah, this one is also good, right? Okay, so guys, same apply on here. So guys, select this vibrator tag and drag and drop, holding control key, drag and drop and select. And guys, I change seed and this time 360, yeah, and frequency you can take anything, yes. So guys, select this cube and a little bit down, yeah, and go to back and play, yeah. See guys, create animation like this. Okay, so now guys, stop this animation and this time I use RealFlow and take screen, yes, and little bit down, yeah. Guys, go to here emitter and use circle and go to up. So guys, select this emitter and size change this one like 20 centimeter and 20, yes, and play, yeah. So guys, I go to emission and here, yeah, all is good. Guys, go to flood and go to display size, increase like this, yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I also apply gravity deformer and use gravity like this and strength gravity I like 700, yeah, yes, better, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply tag collider body tag, so RealFlow collider, so use this one, yeah. And guys, change some setting on here, auto uncheck, yeah. And guys, see, that's my friction like guys, take 0.5, yeah, and bounce I like 0.05, yes. So go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's my effect, right. Okay, so guys, same apply on here. So guys, select this tag and holding control key, drag and drop, yeah, and play. Guys, my system getting little bit slow, yes. See guys, that's my effect. Okay, so now guys, this time I apply mesh tool, this one mesh, yeah, and play, yes, right. Okay, so guys, I change some setting on mesh tool. So guys, select this mesh and radius is good, smooth increase like 5, yeah. So guys, select this screen and guys, auto param uncheck. Guys, minimum subtract I like guys take 30 and max substack I take 60. Yeah, so guys, most important part, save this project, go to desktop and save. Yeah, and go to back and play. Okay, so guys, now select this screen and go to here. So guys, select this emitter. Yes, and emitter setting is good. Go to flood and guys go to here. Yeah, and guys, this time resolution I like 50. Yeah, and surface take 0.1. Yeah, so guys, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my smooth effect, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply material. So go to here, create and load material. Guys, I have project, that's my material file. Yeah, and white material on this one cube, and gold material on mesh. Yeah, and silver material on torus. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, delete this tag, delete and select and right click and go to real flow. Yeah, simple, and again real flow, simple. Yes, and guys, this time bound 0.1 and friction 0.1, actually 0.5. Yeah, same, friction 0.5 and bounce 0.1. Yes, so guys, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, this is really smooth effect, right? Okay, so guys, now my effect is complete. So go to back and guys, create background. So simple, guys, select this cube and copy and rotate 90 degree. So go to back like this. Yeah, and guys, select again and rotate same 90 degree and go to back. But guys, this time I apply another material like this. Yeah, and use sky and take sky material, this one, and re-upload sky texture. So go to luminance and click on here. Yeah, so go to back and guys, go to texture, select and open. Yeah, right. See guys, that's really good. Okay, so guys, set camera angle like this and go to back. Yeah, so guys, one more time, select this screen and take some settings. Yeah, all is good. And guys, go to mesh. Yes, yeah, mesh is good. And emitter. Yeah, emitter setting is good. Yeah, so go to flood and guys, liquid PVD. Yeah, and guys, if you want create more smoothness, so you can increase resolution, this one like 100, but I like guys 50 this time. And go to particle cache. Yeah, and gravity. Yeah, all is good. So guys, go to screen and go to here, smooth cache and cache simulation, check. So guys, after cache, create render. So guys, that's it, my final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.